All right, so hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Chris here with a Diamond Art Club unboxing for you all today. I actually am really excited about this diamond painting because I haven't done a diamond painting from this artist in a very long time. When I saw this painting, I thought, I love it. I just love it. So hopefully everybody's doing all right. Hopefully everybody's having a great day. If you are new to the channel, hi, my name is Chris. I do unboxings. I create showcases of my art on a weekly basis. I also will throw a vlog in here and there, but I kind of just share my experience of diamond painting and art and all the lovely accessories that come with all that. So if you are new, welcome on in. I hope that you enjoy your time here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. So very happy to see you all. Hopefully you all are having a great day. So I saw this painting by Peggy Collins, A Fine Day for Sailing. This was just released about, I'd say, almost a week ago. I will put it was like one of the, early access paintings. So we're going to go and undo this and see what we have inside, because this looks like it's a big painting, a very big painting, friends. Let's undo this. Whoa. Oh my goodness, I tell you. So oh my goodness, Chris, speak, use your words. I'm trying out a new section of my room. Today we're by the window. I don't know if you can see the snow, but it did snow today. We did have a 2-hour delay. I got home and this beautiful painting was delivered. So I'm like, you know what? We gotta unbox this together, because I really do like the unboxings. So here we have a toolkit here. We're going to open this up real quick and I will show you the contents that it includes. So we have our tray here, which I love. I love this tray with a stopper. The lid kind of just comes off. We do have a wax, and are they not giving us the putty anymore? What the heck? Why don't we have the putty? That stinks. Oh my gosh, maybe it is putty and it's just a different color. What's going on with this? Oh my goodness. I hope that this is clear. Is this clear putty? It is. It is clear putty. Or is it clear wax? Did they get rid of the putty? Seriously? Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Oh, well, okay. There you go. Can't moan and groan too much because I don't really do a whole lot of reviews for Diamond Art Club. I just do unboxings and stuff like that. Anyway, that's a little Debbie Downer. Gosh. But we have the pink wax and we also have the clear wax, which I don't like wax. I don't like the wax. Guess I gotta save the rest of them. You know what? I'm not gonna complain too much, and I'm gonna be totally honest with you all. I don't use these pens a whole lot. I have been using the Art Dot. This Art Dot putty, and let me tell you, this is life right here. This is life. I love this. So I'm not going to complain. I will take this over the clear wax any day. All right, so we have our baggies and stuff like that. I will put all this back in the bag. The good thing is that I'm starting a collection for my starting a collection of trees here, so I'll just put that away. So I'm going to open this little envelope right here, and this is going to show us, oh, we got a trading card. Yes, A Fine Day for Sailing, and this is a bronze, and I believe I do have a lot of these. I have to get them together and maybe see how many I have. So here we go. We have that, and then we have our sticker sheet. There is 57 colors in this. There are 4 ABs and 4 fairy dust drills. Let me keep this with this. And let's take a look at this painting real quick. All right, I'm gonna undo it. I'm gonna keep this box. Let's undo this. Okay. Side. And here we go. Oh, okay. So we have the perforated lines here. Great. I love that. I don't know if this is all going to fit on my desk. So here are the beautiful colors. Look at how beautiful they are. They're gorgeous. This is a square drill set. And it's also a 25.6 inches by 25.6 inches. But look at this. This is just gorgeous. I'm going to roll it back real quick so we can kind of flatten it out a little bit. So give me a moment if I can do it without screwing it up. I love the colors in this. This is just like right up my alley. And I love the beach. I don't sail, but I do love the beach. So this will be great for the summertime. Okay. Let's take a look. Oh, yes. I hope that you can see that. That is gorgeous. That is super duper duper gorgeous. I'm going to go this way. It's still a glare right there. A glare. Oh, I wonder if I would it be. It's bad. All right, so I guess I can pull it up like this a little bit, but look at this sunshine. This sunshine has a whole lot of, like, I wouldn't say so much confetti, but I think with these little sections here that you can, tear off, you can get a lot done. But we have some oranges and reds and blues and greens, orange and yellows, and then you have your sky and clouds, your lighthouse. We have our little cliff here or hill where the lighthouse stands. You have this beautiful sailboat here at the ocean, which is great. Oh, this is beautiful. The ocean is gorgeous. And this, you have your seashells, starfish, and you got the sand, like the beach. But I love how these are all so very colorful. They are beautiful. Look at how beautiful they are. I really like this. This is nice. I saw this and I wasn't going to buy it at first. And I'm like, you know what? I think this is cool, especially for the summertime. I do have one from, I forget which one. I'll have to see if I can put it in the video. It is Christmas shells, I think it is. And it's like a tree made out of shells on the beach. But I did hear from a couple people that it wasn't the greatest experience working on that canvas. So this might be on my list. I might put this on my list very soon. But that is awesome. Let's take a look at some colors here. We're going to open this back up. We got our trading card. Okay. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ABs. So we have a 603, a 666, a 741, and a 3819. Now, I will not use any ABs. I've given up on ABs. I store them away in a container, in a storage system, but my goal is to continue to use my Bella Sparkle dust drills, and I enjoy it very much. So I might actually have to order a couple, but the colors are really nice. We got like a pink, a red, an orange, and a green. They are the ABs. Now for the fairy dust drills, we have 964, 966, 3608, and 3766. And let's take a look at where some of these will go. Let's see. Let's take a look. We have this little like stop. That's going to go right in here. And the W, a little bit in these shells here. What about the square with the slash through it? I don't have my glasses on. So the square with the slash going through. Put on my glasses. That's, oh my goodness, they are so dirty. Circle with a slash through it. Let's see. Actually, it is a square. It is a, yep, so right in here, right in the sky. It's a, I'll have to bring this a little bit. You'll see this in the sky right here. That's really cool. And then you got the up arrow sky. All right, that's gonna look really pretty. And W, we saw that in the shells. For the ABs, we have a slash. So that's gonna go over here in the sun rays. Very, very, very pretty. I love this so very much. And this is from Joe Perry. Sorry, Peggy Collins. Jeez, Chris. Peggy Collins. I don't know why I'm thinking of Joe Perry. Peggy Collins. I love that. Yeah, there you go. So this is on my list of paintings I would like to do in the summertime. Maybe I'll start this like my last day of school. Or in May. Maybe I'll do it in May. I'm still waiting on some diamond paintings, and I'm waiting patiently because, you know, that's what you have to do. And I'm excited about them. Very excited. I might have to hold off until the Christmas holiday to do it, or New Year, but that's all right. And I'm going to enjoy working on the ones I have now. So there you go, friends. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing of A Fine Day for Sailing. Let me know this. This is like whimsical art. I love whimsical art. This is the type of art that I like to create. I am nowhere near as good as Peggy Collins, but I do like all the colors. It's just bright and it makes me very happy. All right. Well, I hope you all have a fantastic day. If you don't mind hitting that like button on the way out, that would be greatly appreciated. And if you're thinking about subscribing, please do so. Let's grow our family. We're almost at 1,000, friends. We're almost at 1,000. Let's do it. And join me over on Instagram as well as Twitter. I do hang out on Twitter, but I do stream Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays over on Twitch at 4 p.m. Eastern time, where we play games, we do art, we chit chat. It's a great time to kind of have like, you know, some chit chat and catch up with one another. So I thank you all for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I will see you all in the next video. All right, friends, have a great day. Bye.